A very good morning to all the students of class 3rd. Dear student, today we will study the 7th chapter of social science named as our festivals from the book Our Land, Our World. Dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you so that you can get more clarity for the chapter. Dear student, in the beginning of chapter, you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter. So, dear student, what you will learn in this chapter? You will learn, as I am highlighting it, you will learn about national festivals. Secondly, you will learn about religious festivals. Thirdly, you will learn about Harvest Festival, and lastly you will learn about family festivals. So let's begin with the first one, that is national festivals. Before we study first learning objective, let's begin with the basics. Dear student, this is very important that you should know what made the family and society. This is very important question. What made the family and the society? So the answer is love and cooperation made the family and society. What made the family and society? Love and cooperation made the family and society. Festivals are social events. India is a country of festivals. All of us celebrate a number of festivals during the year. People wear new clothes on the festival days. Many types of sweets and other dishes are prepared on these festivals. People in colorful dresses sing and dance together. Dear student, on some festivals, fairs are held different places. Different kinds of shops are set up in the fair. People purchase sweets, charts, balloon, toys and ice creams. Circus, dance drama are arranged for the recreation of people. This is again very important question. Why they arrange or why we arrange circus and dance drama? So the answer is we arrange circus, dance and drama for recreation of the people. For recreation of people. A number of swings are set up for children. किसके लिए होते हैं swings? बच्चों के लिए, जिससे कि बच्चे फेयर में मेले में क्या कर सके? एंजॉय कर सके. फेस्टिवल्स आर ऑफ 4 kinds. कितने टाइप के होते हैं बच्चों फेस्टिवल्स? 4 टाइप के होते हैं. क्या कौन कौन से होते हैं जिसे मैं मार्क कर रही हूँ? नंबर 1 नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स, नंबर 2 हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल, नंबर 3 रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल एंड नंबर 4 फैमिली फेस्टिवल्स. कितने टाइप के होते हैं फेस्टिवल्स? 4 टाइप के होते हैं. नंबर 1 नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स, नंबर 2 हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल, नंबर 3 religious festivals and number 4 family festivals. Mostly festivals are mixed up with the religious rites. Let's discuss these festivals. I'm just removing it. Okay. Let's discuss national festivals. Dear student, before that, you should know what are the national festivals. There are, in the whole year, we celebrate three types of national festivals. First one, Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Let's discuss the Independence Day. So, national festivals are those which are celebrated by all the people of the nation. National festivals क्या होते हैं? This is very important and I am highlighting it. What are the national festivals? So the answer is national festivals are celebrated by all people of the nation, जिसको पूरा देश एक साथ मनाता है. Our country India got independence on August 15, 1947. Dear student, I am marking it and this is very important question. When India got its independence, it's independent. So the answer is our country India got independence on August 15, 1947. When India got its independence? India got independence on 15 August 1947. So, how we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate the Independence Day by hosting the national flag. क्या करते हैं हम Independence Day में? National flag host करते हैं. Every year on 15 August, our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort, Delhi. कहाँ होस्ट करते हैं हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री? रेड फोर्ट, जो कहाँ है? दिल्ली में है. वहां पर हर साल हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री झंडा फहराते हैं और इंडिपेंडेंस डे को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. So this is all about Independence Day. Let's discuss the second national festival. This is Republic Day. Our country India became a republic on 26 January 1950. Again, dear student, this is very important question. When India became a republic, कब भारत एक गणराज्य बना? So, dear student, the answer is our country India became a republic on 26 January 1950. When India became a republic? India became a republic on 26 January 1950. So, the Republic Day celebrated on 26 January every year. So, this is again very important question. When we celebrate Republic Day? So, the answer is we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. क्या करते हैं हम 26 जनवरी को रिपब्लिक डे के दिन? A grand parade start from Vijay Chowk in New Delhi and reaches the Red Fort. एक बहुत बड़ा ग्रैंड परेड स्टार्ट होती है विजय चौक दिल्ली से, जो रेड फोर्ट तक जाती है. Our armed officer with tanks, aeroplane, police and NCC cadets take part in the parade. कौन कौन पार्ट करता है बच्चों परेड में? Who parts in the parade? Our army officer with tanks, aeroplanes, police and NCC cadets take part in the parade. Cultural groups showing the lifestyle of every state are a big attraction. The president of our country takes the salute of Republic Day parade. क्या करता है? क्या करते हैं बच्चों? हमारे देश के प्रेसिडेंट रिपब्लिक डे की परेड को, जो आर्मी फोर्सेस, एनसीसी कैडेट्स करते हैं रिपब्लिक डे की परेड, जैसे आप पिक्चर में देख पा रहे हैं, तो हमारे देश के प्रेसिडेंट राष्ट्रपति उसे सैल्यूट करते हैं. We celebrate the Independence Day and the Republic Day in our school in the following ways. कैसे हम अपने स्कूल में इंडिपेंडेंस डे और रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? Dear student, let's discuss it. First, a group of students salute the chief guest at the entry gate. Then the captain escorts him to the stage where he hoists the national flag. All of us clap and immediately start to sing the national anthem. Then we shout the slogan भारत माता की जय. कैसे करते हैं बच्चों हम? फ्लैग होस्ट के बाद हम अपना नेशनल एंथम सिंग गाते हैं. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या स्लोगन यूज करते हैं? भारत माता की जय. The chief guest gives a speech. तो जो चीफ गेस्ट होते हैं, मेहमान होते हैं परेड के, वो हमें क्या देते हैं? एक भाषण देते हैं. Then message of the prime minister, chief minister is read out. उसके बाद क्या होता है? जो प्रधानमंत्री या फिर आपके राज्य के मंत्री, चीफ मिनिस्टर ने जो मैसेज दिया होता है उसे रीड करते हैं. कौन रीड करते हैं? प्रिंसिपल. आपके स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल उसे रीड करते हैं. स्पीचेस आर also made by the teacher and the student. टीचर और स्टूडेंट भी स्पीच तैयार करते हैं. Some of using patriotic song at the stage. कुछ लोग राष्ट्रीय गीत गाते हैं जो जिसमें नेशंस के लिए वो सैल्यूट करते हैं. In the end, sweets are distributed. लास्ट में क्या होता है? मिठाइयाँ बढ़ती हैं. इंडिपेंडेंस और रिपब्लिक डे दोनों में ही मिठाइयाँ बढ़ती हैं. On the Republic Day, we also take out a procession to join the Republic Day parade in our city. तो हम क्या करते हैं? रिपब्लिक डे के दिन एक जुलूस हम अपनी सिटी, अपने शहर में भी निकालते हैं. The next national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Dear student, as I am highlighting it, this is the pictorial part of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. Dear student, this is very important question. Who is called the father of the nation? So the answer is Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. Why we call him as a father of nation? Because he led country to freedom. This is again very important question. Why we called Mahatma Gandhi as a father of the nation? So the answer is we called Mahatma Gandhi as the father of nation because he led the country to the freedom. So when we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday on 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti every year. When we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday on 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti every year. The whole nation pays homage to him. So, this is the pictorial part of Rajghat, जहां पर हम लोग महात्मा गांधी जी को याद करने हर साल 2 अक्टूबर के दिन जाते हैं. The next is Children's Day. Dear student, why we celebrate Children's Day? The first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Dear student, this is very important question. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? So, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. So, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much. So, we called him as a Chacha Nehru. Dear student, this is very important question. who is called as Chacha Nehru? So the answer is we called Jawaharlal Nehru as a Chacha Nehru. Why we called him as a Chacha Nehru? Because he loved children very much. That's why children called him Chacha Nehru. Why we called him Chacha Nehru? Because he loved children very much. That's why children called him Chacha Nehru. When we celebrate Children's Day, dear student, on his birthday on 14th November is celebrated as the Children's Day. When we celebrate Children's Day, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. The birthday of our former President Dr. S. Radhakrishnan on 5th September is celebrated as Teachers Day. Dear student, जो हमारे भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति थे जिनका नाम था डॉक्टर एस राधाकृष्णन, उनके बर्थडे के दिन 5th सितंबर को हम कौन सा डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, this is the picture of Jawaharlal Nehru ji, and this is the picture of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. So we celebrate Children's Day because of Jawaharlal Nehru. We celebrate Teachers Day because of S. Radhakrishnan. So dear student, this is all about the national festivals. Now let's discuss the religious festivals. So let's begin religious festivals. As I am removing it. So religious festivals are celebrated in memory of religious events. क्यों बनाते हैं हम? Religious events को याद करते हुए हम लोग religious festivals मनाते हैं. So let's discuss the first religious festivals, that is Diwali. Dear student, this is the pictorial part of Diwali, how we celebrate Diwali. So dear student, Diwali is called the festivals of light. This is very important question. Which religious festival is called festivals of lights? Which religious festival is called festivals of lights? So the answer is Diwali is called the festivals of lights. Businessmen celebrate this day as a New Year Day. People clean and whitewash their houses before Diwali. तो बच्चों, दिवाली से पहले आप क्या करते हैं? अपना घर साफ करते हैं और अपने घर में white wash करते हैं, पुताई करवाते हैं. They purchase new utensils and cloths. नए बर्तन लेते हैं, नए कपड़े लेते हैं और क्या करते हैं? Lamps जलाते हैं. Fireworks are set off. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped. तो किसकी पूजा की जाती है बच्चों दिवाली में? वेल्थ के जो भगवान हैं उनकी पूजा, लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा हम इस ओकेजन में करते हैं. The people of Bengal celebrate Navratri as a Durga Puja. कहाँ के लोग बच्चों दुर्गा पूजा सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? बंगाल के लोग दुर्गा पूजा सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. The people of Gujarat celebrate Navratri with great pomp and show. Men and women perform the Ras dance together, small colorful sticks in their hands. कैसे बनाते हैं गुजरात के लोग नवरात्रि को रास डांस परफॉर्म करते हैं, जिस क्या होता है उनके हाथ में स्टिक्स होती हैं. समटाइम द डांस गोज अप द होल नाइट. कभी कभी क्या होता है पूरी रात डांस होता है. The next one is Dashera. This is the pictorial part of Dashera. So dear student, this is again very important religious festival of India. When Dashera comes. So dear student, the answer is Dashera comes after the 9 days of Navratri. So dear student, नवरात्रि के 9वें दिन हम दशहरा सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. It is celebrated in the happiness of winning of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravan. तो क्यों हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं दशहरा? क्योंकि इस दिन भगवान राम ने किसको जीता था? भगवान राम ने रावण को जीता था. इसलिए हम दशहरे को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, उनकी विक्ट्री को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. सो दशहरा सिंबलाइज द विक्ट्री ऑफ गुड ओवर द इवल. गुड के ऊपर इवल की जीत को हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड विजयादशमी. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग which you should remember. Dashera is also called the Vijayadashmi. So dear student, this is very important religious festival of India. The next one is Ganesh Chaturthi. Dear student, as you can see in my screen, this is the picture of Ganesh Chaturthi. So let's discuss it. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of Maharashtra. This is very important thing that you should remember, where we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, or Ganesh Chaturthi is main festival of which state? So the answer is, as I have already highlighted it, Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival Maharashtra. People worship earthen image of Lord Ganesha for 10 days. 10 days के लिए celebrate करते हैं. Then they takes them out in a procession and immerse them in water. जिसे क्या कहते हैं? विसर्जन कहते हैं. पहले वो 10 days के लिए गणपति जी को अपने घर लाते हैं, उनकी पूजा करते हैं. उसके बाद आफ्टर 10 days वो उन्हें पानी में विसर्जित कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज very important religious festival of Maharashtra. Let's discuss the next one, that is Eid. As I have already, this is the pictorial part of Eid. So dear student, thousands of people offer namaz in mosques on the evening of Eid. तो लोग कहाँ नमाज पढ़ते हैं? मस्जिद में नमाज पढ़ते हैं. After namaz, people embrace one another. They exchange gift and greetings. So dear student, this is very important and religious festivals for Muslims. So the next one is, as you can see in my screen, this is the festival of, this is called Christmas. The birthday of many great men are celebrated as festival all over the country. Christmas is one of them. When we celebrate Christmas, dear student, this is very important question. We celebrate Christmas every year on 25th December. When we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate Christmas every year on 25th December in honor of birthday of Jesus Christ. किसके ऑनर पे हम लोग क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? जीसस क्रिस्ट के ऑनर पे हम लोग उनका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. Christmas tree is decorated with gifts, light, tinsel, and many other things in many houses. People pray and sing in churches. लोग कहाँ पे? चर्च में गाना गाते हैं और प्रे करते हैं. So this is again very important religious festival of India. As you can see, the pictorial part of Christmas. Dear student, let's discuss the next religious festivals of India. As I am highlighting it, Lord Mahavir birthday is celebrated as Mahavir Jayanti. भगवान महावीर का बर्थडे हम कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? एज अ महावीर जयंती. गौतम बुद्धा का कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? एज अ बुद्धा जयंती. एंड गुरु नानक का हम कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? एज अ गुरु पर्व. सो these three festivals are again very important festivals. As you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of Lord Mahavir. We celebrate Mahavir Jayanti on his birthday. We celebrate Buddha Jayanti on the birthday, in the birthday of Gautam Buddha. This is the pictorial part of Gautam Buddha, and this is the pictorial part of Guru Nanak. We celebrate this birthday as a Guru Parv. So this is, dear student, these are some religious festivals which we celebrate in our country. The last two religious festivals are Mahashivratri and Navroj. So Mahashivratri is celebrated in the honor of Lord Shiva. This is the pictorial part of Lord Shiva. Why we celebrate Navroj? Navroj is celebrated by the Parsi community of our country. Who celebrate Navroj? So this is very important, and I am marking it. Navroj is celebrated by the Parsi community of our country. So this is all about religious festivals of India. The next one is harvest festivals of India. Dear student, harvest festivals are celebrated when the crops are ripe for harvesting. Religious beliefs and rites have been mixed up with these. जब फसल पकती है या कटती है, तब हम लोग क्या करते हैं? हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. The first one is Holi. So Holi is a harvest festival of North India. This is very important question, and I am marking it. Holi is a harvest festival of North India. Daishakhi is a harvest festival of Punjab. So this is again very important question, where we celebrate Baishakhi as a harvest festival. So the answer is we celebrate Baishakhi as a harvest festival in Punjab. Holi and Baishakhi are celebrated at the harvest time of wheat and barley. People sing and dance with delight in these festivals. So I am removing it. The next one is Basant Panchami. This is the picture of Holi, and this is the picture of Baishakhi. Basically, Holi is the festival of colors. So, dear student, the next one is Basant Panchami. This is very important festival of our country. Basant Panchami is celebrated before Holi. कब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं बसंत पंचमी को? होली के पहले. It is celebrated in the beginning of Basant. That is also called the spring season. Girls wear yellow sari and dance joyfully. लड़कियां कैसे कलर के कपड़े पहनती हैं? कैसे कलर की साड़ी पहनती हैं? येलो कलर की साड़ी पहनती हैं. सरस्वती, the goddess of learning, is also worshipped on this day. किसकी पूजा की जाती है बसंत पंचमी में? माता सरस्वती की पूजा की जाती है जो गॉडेस ऑफ लर्निंग है. So this is again very important festival of India. So the next one is Onam. Why we celebrate Onam, dear student? Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala state. This is again very important question and I am marking it. Where we celebrate Onam as a harvest festival. So the answer is Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala state. It falls in August or September. कब होता है ओनम? अगस्त और सितंबर में होता है. People wear new clothes and give feast. लोग क्या करते हैं इस दिन? दावत देते हैं, नए कपड़े पहनते हैं. Decorated elephants can be seen in this festival. There is music all over the place. Boat races are held in Onam. So, as I am again marking it, this is the picture of Onam which we celebrate in Kerala. This is the picture of boat race. The next one is Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Dear student, I am marking it. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It falls in January at the harvest time of rice. It is celebrated for 3 days. 3 दिन के लिए celebrate होता है. The rain god, the sun god and the mother cow are worshipped in that day. A special dish, Pongal rice, is made from rice and jaggery. So, dear student, this is all about religious festivals of our country. Now, let's discuss the family festivals. Basically, dear student, birthday, wedding days, Raksha Bandhan are called as family festivals. Dear students, as I am again highlighting it, birthday and wedding days are family festival. We invite our relatives and friends to the party. क्या करते हैं आप? Birthday party में, wedding party में अपने friends को, अपने families को बुलाते हैं. The next one is Raksha Bandhan. Dear student, Raksha Bandhan is celebrated to show the strong bonds of love between a sister and a brother. So, this is very important question. Why we celebrate Raksha Bandhan? So, the answer is Raksha Bandhan is celebrated to show the strong bond of love between sister and the brother. Sisters ties a rakhi on her brother wrist. क्या करते हैं? अपने भाइयों की कलाई में बहनें क्या करती हैं? राखी बांधती है. The celebration, what celebration teaches us? The celebration of festivals teaches us to live together happily and peacefully. क्या सिखाते हैं? हमें एक साथ खुश और शांति के साथ रहना चाहिए. So, dear student, this is all about the chapter. Dear student, let's have a quick revision of this chapter. In the beginning of the chapter, we have learned who made the family and society. So, dear student, love and cooperation made the family and society. So, dear student, some festivals, fairs are held at different places. Different kinds of shops are set up in these fairs. People purchase sweets, charts, balloon shops, toys and ice cream. Circus, dance, drama are arranged for the recreation of the people. So, क्यों होते हैं बच्चों? सर्कस और डांस ड्रामा क्यों होते हैं? ताकि वो बच्चों को ताकि वो लोगों को रिक्रिएट कर पाए. So, dear student, there are 4 kinds of festivals. First one is national festivals, second one is harvest festival, third one is religious festival, and fourth one is family festivals. Let's discuss the first one, that is national festivals. So the first one is Independence Day. The important thing of Independence Day, which you have to remember when we celebrate Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year. The second one is when India got independence. So the answer is India got independence on August 15, 1947. On this day, Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort. The next national festival is Republic Day. In this, you have to remember when we celebrate Republic Day. So, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. The second important question is when India became a republic. So, dear student, India became a republic on 26 January 1950. A grand parade starts from Vijaya Chowk in New Delhi and reaches Red Fort. Our armed force with tanks, aeroplane, police and NCC cadets take part in this parade. Cultural groups showing the lifestyle of every state are a big attraction of this parade. The president of our country takes the salute of the Republic Day parade. So, dear student, this is again very important thing which you have to remember how we celebrate Republic Day in our school. First, a group of students salute the chief guest at the entry gate. That captain escort him to stage and he hoists the national flag. All of us clap and immediately start sing the national song. Then we shout the slogan Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Then chief guest gives a speech. Then the message of the prime minister or chief minister is read out. Speeches are also made by teachers and the student. In the end, sweets are distributed on the Republic Day. The next national festival is Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma, who is called as the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji is called as the father of the nation. Why we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti because in this day क्या होता है बच्चों? इस दिन महात्मा गांधी का जन्मदिन होता है, इसलिए उनकी मेमोरी में हम इस दिन गांधी जयंती सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. Why 14th November is important? Because we celebrate 14th November as a Children's Day. So, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much. So, children called him Chacha Nehru. When we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5 September, the birthday of our former President Dr. S. Radhakrishnan The next one is religious festivals. The first one is Diwali. So why we celebrate Diwali and how we celebrate Diwali, as I have already told you, let's have a quick revision of this thing. Diwali is called the festival of lights. We celebrate Diwali as the festival of lights. People clean and whitewash their house before Diwali. They purchase new utensils and cloths in this day. They light the lamps, oil. They क्या करते हैं बच्चों? इस दिन लाइट्स जलाते हैं, दिए जलाते हैं. तो दिवाली के दिन हम किसकी पूजा करते हैं? हम गॉडेस ऑफ वेल्थ लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा करते हैं. The next religious festival is Durga Puja. Where we celebrate Durga Puja? In Bengal, we celebrate Durga Puja. So, the people of Gujarat celebrate Navratris with great pomp and show. The next one is Dashera. Dashera comes after 9 days of Navratri. When we celebrate Dashera? After 9 days of Navratri. It is celebrated in the happiness of winning of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravan. We called Dashera as a Vijayadashmi too. The next one is Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is the festival of Maharashtra, which you have to remember. People worship Lord Ganesha for 10 days. Then they take them out in a procession and immerse them in the water. The next one is Eid. Thousands of people offer namaz in mosques on the evening of Eid. After namaz, people embrace one another. They exchange gifts and greetings. The next one is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. कब celebrate करते हैं हम Christmas? हर साल 25th December को हम celebrate करते हैं. किसके honor पे celebrate करते हैं? Jesus Christ के honor पे हम 25th December को Christmas celebrate करते हैं. क्या करते हैं हम इस दिन? अपने घर को सजाते हैं. Christmas tree को light से, gift से सजाते हैं. The next one is Lord Mahavir birthday is celebrated as Mahavir Jayanti. Gautam Buddha birthday is celebrated as Buddha Jayanti, and the Guru Nanak birthday is celebrated as Guru Parva. So the next one is Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is celebrated in the honor of Lord Shiva. महाशिवरात्रि को हम कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? किसके ऑनर पे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? भगवान शिव जी के ऑनर पे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. नवरोज इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द पारसी कम्युनिटी ऑफ अवर कंट्री. कौन सी कम्युनिटी नवरोज सेलिब्रेट करती है? पारसी कम्युनिटी नवरोज सेलिब्रेट करती है. The next one is Harvest Festival. As I have explained you in detail, let's have a quick revision of the Harvest Festival. Number 1, Holi, which is the festival of color. We celebrate Holi in North India. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. So Holi and Baisakhi are celebrated at the harvesting time of wheat and barley. People sing and dance delightfully. This is the pictorial part of Holi and Baisakhi. The next harvest festival is Basant Panchami, which is celebrated before Holi. It is celebrated in the beginning of Basant season. In this festival, girls wear yellow sari and dance joyfully. The next one is Onam. So this is very important question. Onam is harvest festival of Kerala state. कहाँ celebrate होता है Onam? केरला में celebrate होता है. कब होता है celebrate? अगस्त और एंड सितंबर मंथ में सेलिब्रेट होता है. पीपल वेयर न्यू क्लॉथ्स एंड गिव फीस्ट. क्या करते हैं लोग, इस दिन नए कपड़े पहनते हैं, दावत देते हैं. इसमें इस फेस्टिवल में बहुत अच्छे से सजे हुए हाथी दिखते हैं और पूरे जगह म्यूजिक होता है. बोट रेसेस आर हेल्ड एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. The next one is Pongal. So Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It falls in January at the harvest timing of rice. It is celebrated for 3 days. 3 दिन के लिए celebrate होता है. The rain god, the sun god, and the mother cow are worshipped in this festival. A special dish, Pongal rice, is made of rice and jaggery in this festival. The next one is family festival, which is birthday and wedding. So dear student, birthday and wedding days are family festival. We invite relatives and friends into the party. The next one is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated to show the strong bond of love between a sister and a brother. क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं हम रक्षा बंधन? भाई और बहन के बीच का स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड के लिए हम रक्षा बंधन सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. सिस्टर टाइज अ राखी ऑन हर ब्रदर्स रिस्ट. बहनें क्या करती हैं? रक्षा धागा अपने भाइयों के हाथ में बांधती हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ festival teaches us to live together happily and peacefully. क्या सिखाते हैं हमें? साथ में खुश और शांति से रहना फेस्टिवल समय सिखाते हैं. So dear student, this is all about the chapter. We will study the next chapter in our next class. This is all about chapter 7, our festival. Thank you.